In this video, I will show you how you can change the default messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, first of all, just install the messaging app which you want to set as the default messaging app. Now, as you can see, the Galaxy Store and the Google Play Store are filled with the Messages apps, and I have installed Samsung Messages from here. Now after you install the Messages app which you want to set as the default app, then just open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Now from this page, just tap on Choose Default Apps. And from here, just select SMS app. Now instead of Google Messages, you can select any other messaging app to set it as a default. For an example, I'll select Samsung Messages. And by doing that, I'll set Samsung Messages as the default messaging app on my Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.